All right, let's begin. Let's build a Samba container. I'll explain a little more as we continue with this container. It'll be our first container, actually. We're going to name it CT110 or maybe CT100. We will build a qubit container with VPN. It's asking me to create a container via UI. Section system. Update successful. Debian 13 template. I don't have any templates downloaded on this. It's going to be our first container. So let's see what's available right now. So it's an updated template. 13.1/2. Okay. I know I said I wasn't going to intervene, but yeah, 8 should be good. I mean, it's only 8 we're saving, but still. Let's just create it with 8. All right. I want you to start the container and then enter it immediately. I'm in Samba right now. It wants me to verify networking. It wants to check the DNS. That looks good. Okay. Run inside. Just that when it tells you to run inside, it's inside this container, right? So right now we're inside. There we're within our node, our Proxmox node. We're in Cyberdyne. Some commands would be within the shell in Proxmox node. Most would be within the container, right? So okay, so we're gonna mount. So show me. Okay, it wants us to show you. It wants to see the mounts we have. We have 2 SSDs, 2 4 terabyte SSDs. We have a AI storage and we have cache. AI would be for open models in the future, right? Okay. We're gonna restart the container and then enter it. Your current inside. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out. Reboot. I'm not sure how. Reboot, and then we're gonna get back into the container. All right, and we're going to check storage. Which looks good. We just need to build the folders within. So we're going to create a downloads. Yeah, with incomplete, completed, and watch. That watch is important. We're going to create 2 of them. One is for Qubit Torrents download. One is for my media stack. Projects and models for AI. Okay. Permissions. We need permissions, which we don't have right now. Yep. Now 775. What am I doing? Let's see. All right. Yeah, they're there now. Yes. Now create Samba user inside CT100. Okay. I don't like that login. Obviously, that's my first name. I don't like that. All right, new password. Okay, added user, enabled user file sharing. If you already created, okay, no, done that. Give me everything. Okay, that's done. Test it. That's gonna. Let's try this. File Explorer. What am I doing? Yeah. Downloads. I got completed, incomplete, my watch folder, media stack, same type of directories, right? One standalone, one will be so-called automated with a stack with radar and so forth. AI storage. This will be my first dive into local AI models, so I'm not too entirely sure if we're going to need all these folders. I'm sure I'm wrong, so we'll go with it. And test folder. I don't have permissions to incubate, but I don't have permissions. So we want to exit or get out of that container. Oh, wow. Okay. It should be instant. So let's try. No permissions. But huh. I gotta remember that. Reboot. So like here, we still don't have permissions. Send. Cyberdyne. All right, I think that may have fixed it. There it is. So I see the test. So I'll send them this. I'm not sure if that was there before. I gotta review the video. All right, let's try. Got it. Yes, but the bimod is writable by CT root, fixed by forcing Samba right to CT root. Okay. Let's send it this here. Fail to restart SMB services. Ah, I was still in my node. I was not inside the container. That happens once in a while. Verify config. So yes. Yeah, I mean, there it is. Found files. Let's do a remove command just to clean up, which is perfect. Complete. All right, let's move to BitTorrent now.